Lunatronik, security assistant as a smart edge monitoring solution. Lunatronik is a company for production, design, engineering, trade and services. It was founded in 1990 and continuously deals with integrated security systems. From Lunatronik, Mr. Bata Vulović, CEO. Welcome, Mr. Vulović. The floor is yours.
Okay, I'm just looking how many participants. Start with the topic. Security assistant as a smart edge monitoring solution. First, and the main question, what is it? Okay, the photo says 1,000 words. Here we can see that it is a CCTV surveillance camera, but with artificial intelligence that it can show us if it is a dog or a person or a car or a truck or whatever. So we have to see what is the purpose of artificial intelligence. It can turn existing reactive cameras and video surveillance system into proactive solutions by implementing smart AI-powered technology that looks only for interesting objects. So we will not look at empty screen where nothing is happening, but only what is interesting for us, because with the wide variety of risk to mitigate, everyone needs a powerful video analytics tool that makes use of the existing security infrastructure and enables real-time threat detection and provides cost-effective solution. Plug the simple, compact, and affordable security assistant into your existing home or small business camera network to effectively filter out false alarms and focus on what matters. Okay, here is just a small example how it looks like. Original object, input layer, hidden layers, comparison, and output layers with the final result. Okay, I have a little bird here, but it doesn't make problem. It is a compact, low power consumption edge device with AI software whose powerful analytics upgrades standard cameras to smart one. Great tool for a user or a monitoring center to increase the effectiveness and filter out up to 99% of non-actionable events, such as the movement of leaves, pets, shadows, lighting, and even camera flows. User got instant notification both to an alarm receiving center and on the go on the mobile phone for faster response with the correct action. A saver that allows you to use existing cameras with new smart features. So you can monitor your home with instant notification, and you do not have to change all camera. You just update straight all your messages and only relevant messages to your private Telegram messenger. So you will see only what is important. Here is just one example. We was looking for a person, but it shows us also umbrella, dog, and the car, and everything what can be interesting, what user choose. So here is the other example. Although person is almost hidden by the gate, it is shown here. Also dog is very little and the same color as the road, but it is detected with 65%. Person is by 99%. So it means that you can enhance your IP camera system and replace old-fashioned and not reliable motion detection. Here we use it for detect first arrival of a stork in her nest this year, which that happens 3 days ago. Also for suitcases, or you will see later what else we can detect. What are the advantages? You got information that the person was detected or is detected because it is instantaneously. You got it was detected at 8:42, and also you get the information that the person disappeared. It happens only 5 minutes later. Of course, there are images all between what was happening, but we are not showing here. And we can mention other big advantage. It is that our device is hidden behind your home router and the firewall and is never exposed to outside threats like other solutions that can expose your external URL or IP address. It is powerful but simple to use and suits you when you have a home or small business camera network with up to 8 standard cameras or an alarm receiving center for remote surveillance. You want a cost-effective, easy-to-use solution that empowers you to run effective motion detection and false alarm filtering. You want to focus on actionable events that improve your security rather than being distracted by continual feeds. You want an eco-friendly small security edge device that fits on any shelf rather than the bulk and cost of extra hardware, because ecology is also important today. There are several models. So model 1, it can also detect different users, different objects, and it has AI-powered automation, and you can choose the number of the same type objects. So we set up here that only when 2 persons appear to get notification. And we got this notification for 2 persons and also for the other objects that were chosen in the setup. For this smaller model, up to 6 cameras can be used, and even with the low resolution cameras, artificial intelligence can help to get same results as a high resolution camera. There are 20 different analytics: person, car, dog, truck, umbrella, horse, cow, elephant, umbrellas, bus, airplane, motorcycle. So we will not go to all of them. Users have customizable rules for instant alerts about objects only that matters, free from unwanted alerts. This is a smart investment and only one-time fee. There are no monthly fees, no hidden fees for extra features, and all future upgrades are free or included in the price. Also, privacy is very important. As I mentioned earlier, all video processing is done locally. No third party or cloud has access to your information, because many are concerned about security in the cloud. There are smart object tracking. You can watch over what's most important and with higher accuracy, what is important. Replace all the not reliable motion detection. And the best all-rounder for plug-and-play smart camera enhancement. That is important, that it is very easy to use. Advanced model can handle more cameras, up to 8. It has faster detection, it has extended range, and it has enhanced design. Just similar examples. And also houses AI-based advanced object detection and private notification system, supports 8 cameras, faster and even more accurate detection for distance objects and at night, designed for busier scenarios, also has 20 analytics, ideal for small and medium business. It is powerful yet simple to use, very versatile, and can manage up to 8 security cameras with only one single AI smart appliance. It is adaptable and set up customized rules and zones to capture every and only important events. It has deep sight mode for additional intelligence, and it is a robust feature for even greater accuracy for detecting smaller, farther away objects, even in poor lighting conditions. And you can, with this advanced model, you can control security lights and or parts of the house of the alarm system with smart action accessories. we will speak about it later. Okay, you can save security organization with security assistant can save an average of $1,468 per camera per month by reducing labor cost while increasing the effectiveness of security operators. Of course, it is not data from Serbia because we have much lower salaries, but in the rich world, it has more even benefits. It is designed for everyone to quickly and simply install, and you can use effectively filter out fault alarms and focus on what matters. It is again compact, low power consumption edge device and can filter up to 99% on non-actionable events such as movement of leaves, pets, shadows, lighting, and even camera flows. And actionable events that include people and vehicles will be shown for your review in your mobile and desktop application. Okay, it can be used for VMS and cameras without this functionality. It is again similar words, cost effective, compact, privacy, that is very important, and pain points addressed. Reduces response time by capturing incidents in real time. It means that owner or alarm receiving center instantly got image with information on his mobile, on his desktop. If we compare it with some network video recorders that has some artificial intelligence, they have only email informing you that that camera has detected something, but you do not have a photo of it. You do not know the real cause. You have to manually connect and search. Here is this done automatically. It allows security personnel to be more efficient, allows to augment the existing security infrastructure, and again, 99 filtering, eliminating noise, fatigue, unnecessary panic, and time loss. Programming of the device is done through the simple web application. Here we have 3 cameras with a different resolution. This one is full HD, this is D1, this is even the same. You will see there is also a VGA resolution, and you have here all settings: capture source, deep sight mode, motion threshold, queue priority, optical detection, minimal accuracy, optical detection, alerts, double check. What kind of alerts are used, we will see on next screen in more details. Here is shown that on the left image, we only are detecting birds. And we are detecting where only 2 birds are in the nest, because they are most interesting. We have a camera which have recorded complete life cycle of storks in one village in Serbia. On the other location, we detect person, car, dog, cow, and a truck, because all of these objects can pass this gate. So the customer needs to know who did it. And also for the other, there are all different possibilities. Here, when we add a rule for detection, we simply choose what object we will use. We have a preview of the camera and choose what object use. Density control, it means number of detected objects. We can program the schedule, start time and end time, and what days of the week is interesting. And we can restrict frequent notifications. We can choose as much as we like to make a little pause between notification. Also, we have programming possible from the Telegram application. We use a simple command /camera, and then we got all cameras in our system. We can select camera. Here we can see that 3 cameras are active, 3 are gray and not active, even 4 are not active. With simple press on the camera, we can go deeper in that settings. We can activate or deactivate, can set motion threshold, queue priority. All the details can be changed easily from the mobile phone with the Telegram application. Why is used Telegram? Because it says that it is the fastest and the most secure communication platform. Here we can see that we have activated manually camera Rode, and after several seconds, connection was established. So everything is seen. So Telegram application can be run on the mobile and also on the computer. Here is again deeper programming, object detection, minimal accuracy. We can change it here easily. This is maximum and the minimum, and we can choose the desired one. Motion threshold, similar things like previous, and also queue priority. We can change which object has higher priority than the others. So it is very convenient and easy to use. We have AI accessories. It means that we can trigger actions by using AI analytics. It is very useful, and that is must-have accessory for the smart bundle. You can control lighting or trigger the sound, alarm, siren. We have one situation with outside passive infrared detector, and he is activated on every bigger dog or any other similar animals. And he is triggering some actions which is unnecessary. With this system, we will trigger the light or the things that we want only when a person arrives or a car. So that is great advantage. The first part is smart relay DIN format. They have 4 different channels that can be configured independently. And they have array of connection and configuration options. And it is designed for switching electrical loads via 4 independent electromagnetic relays. Each of them can be controlled remotely by a command from the user interface or automatically from the device. And it can be connected via Wi-Fi also to simplify installation. Operates on the wide voltage range from 90 to 24 volts. The other part is smart socket that is built in your smart camera system. It is of course only one socket, and you can easily plug it before the required accessory, and you can also switch it on and off remotely or according the AI analytics. Via mobile phone, there is a standard module, also have Wi-Fi communication, protocols, layer encryption, and things that are required to do its purpose. And we can now summarize. It is a security assistant as a smart edge monitoring solution, is a smart device with the plug and play solution. It works with all modern cameras and video management systems. It has effective false alarm filtering, filters out up to 99% of false alarms, showing you only validated and actionable events, what is important. It has powerful motion detection, but in combination with artificial intelligence. So it is useful motion detection, not like in standard cameras or NVRs. It has enterprise-grade artificial intelligence. Even it is simple but powerful solution that leverages enterprise-grade AI algorithms to every customer. it is cost effective because you are keeping your existing cameras or recording devices, and it is compact edge appliance that will fit on a shelf and has low power consumption without extra additionally hardware and extra cost. So very cost effective, and it keeps your privacy. All the video frames are analyzed at your premises, keeping your information private and secure. And that is very important for many customers. So in short, it can be like this. Thank you. We are Lunatronik, and if you have questions and you need quotes, you can write at office@klt.rs. For technical questions, you can write to technica@klt.rs, or you can visit our website, KLT.rs. So that's briefly about advantages and possibilities of smart security assistant.
Mr. Bata, thank
Yes.
you. Thank you and Lunatronik for this great presentation. And we have 3 questions for you. My first question, is there any restriction on camera resolution that can be used?
Yeah. But as I see, online are now only us and Adria security. I do not see all participants.
Mr. Bata, don't worry, my colleagues will send you that detail about number of participants.
Okay, there is no restriction in the resolution of cameras because with this artificial intelligence, we can use camera, as you saw in our examples, with only VGA resolution. So it is a very powerful device that supports all camera resolutions.
My second question, can be used only with IP cameras or with analog also?
Yes, it can be used with analog cameras via their DVR that supports RFTCP communication. So it can work with analog cameras also, not only IP.
And my last question, Mr. Bata, does it work only with local cameras or can work with remote ones?
Yes, when it works with local cameras, then it is completely privacy and it is protected with no possibility to interact. But it can work as we show in demonstration with the distant cameras. We have cameras in different cities, and they are all connected to one device. So with one device, we can cover different locations in different cities or different countries, never mind. So that is also a great advantage.
Mr. Bata, thank you once more for your participation.